What up? What up? What up? What up, rebels? It's your boy Ant from Rebel to Succeed. I just wanted to share another quick tip with you guys about mastering your day. I'm gonna say that again. Mastering your day. When I say that, what I'm talking about is, we all get 24 hours in a day, right? Everybody gets 24 hours in a day. Nobody is special. Nobody gets 25. Nobody gets 28. Nobody gets 30. We all start the day with 24 hours. You know what I mean? And eight of that should be going to it should be going to sleep, right? So that really leaves us with like 16. Um, and what you do with that time determines where you're going to end up in life. You create your reality with what you do with your time, with your actions and stuff, right? And also, with what you think about. But right now we talking about action. um I want a lot of people to really realize that you are where you are at right now in life because of what you do, with your time. You know what I mean? Like if you sitting around and you wishing that you had this, or you sitting here and you jealous about people, about their success and stuff like that. You literally just crushing your ability to create your reality, because when you put other people down, you put yourself down. Whatever you do comes back to you, right? So if you bless other people and you happy for other people, then you're going to bring some positivity into your life. But master your day. You know what I mean? You should never be jealous. You should never be jealous of anybody else. You know what I mean? Like that's kind of like being weak. You know what I mean? Like just be happy for people, man. If you be happy for somebody else, you know what I mean? Like that's gonna bring positivity back into your life. You know what I mean? But figure out. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to figure out, what are you doing with your time? What are you doing? What are you doing with your time? Are you watching TV in your free time? Like you might go to work or whatever, and you come home and you're tired and stuff like that. That's cool and all. But what are you doing with your free time? Right? Are you watching TV? Are you playing the game? Are you um are you just bullshitting around? Like you really got to take responsibility for what you do. You know what I mean? Like you can't blame other people for where you're at. It's your life. So figure out what you're not doing. You know what I mean? Like you can't be jealous. You can't put other people down because they're chasing their dreams. Because they got some ambition. Because they taking action in their life. They trying to change their life. Like figure out what you're doing and point the finger at you. Don't never point the finger at other people. Point the finger at yourself. Figure out what you're not doing. We all get 24 hours in a day. Figure out what you're doing with your time. But I don't want to ramble too much. That's your boy Ant from Rebel to Succeed. Just giving y'all a little motivation. You know what I mean? Trying to help you guys. Just to succeed in life. You know what I mean? And well, I'm telling you, a major key is figuring out, basically mastering the day. You know what I mean? Like planning your day out, man. Like planning out what you got to do. Reach your daily goals. Like that's one way to start right there. Like create some daily goals. You need to start with a goal, but I don't want to ramble too much. I just wanted to give y'all a little motivation, um, and just help you guys see things in a different light. Like if you think about it, right? If you think about it, you know, who's like the most successful people that you can think of, right? Like you might think of Oprah. you might think of, you know, Jay-Z or Beyonce, like like a Steve Jobs, or even though he's passed, rest in peace, Steve Jobs. But everybody, I mean, they're all like, very wealthy people, Warren Buffett and all of them, like, you know what I mean? Like, figure out what they do in their day. You know what I mean? Figure out what they're doing. And I guarantee you, like, they're taking a lot of action towards their goals. You know what I mean? Like, they're not wasting their time. Like, their days are probably planned out. They're maximizing their 24 hours. They're mastering their day every day. You know what I mean? Like, they all get 24 hours just like we do. You know what I mean? We all get the same amount of time. And when you really realize that time is limited, like, we all get, we don't live forever. So you gotta chase your dreams now. Like, you're not gonna be here forever. And I can guarantee you that you don't want to regret what you did with your time when it's too late. So again, I probably said this a couple times in the video, but check it, y'all. I don't want to ramble too much. I just wanted to give y'all some motivation. And my tip is to master your day. Master your day, y'all. You know, plan your day out. Get some goals. Plan your day out to to reach that goal, and just grind and work it out. You know what I mean? But it's your boy Ant from Rebel to Succeed. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.